So I have chain 80 here, 80, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna join to the first chain to form a circle. For that we need to know the front chains, so our circle is flat when we start working our rows. As you can see, the chains, they have to be facing me. Okay. And now, turning this facing the other end, both ends together, I will join with a slip knot. I hope it's clear. So my slip knot is here. Okay. So my slip knot is here and I'm joining to form the circle. So this is what you get in the beginning. Now I'll start working double crochet around the circle. That will be the first row. So again, the chains should be facing me. It's a bit challenging, especially with this type of yarn, but little patience, we'll get there. So chain 2, 1 and 2, and this is our first chain. This one is right next to the chain 2. I'm gonna do 1 double crochet. As I have said, little patience and the work will be done. So this is my first double crochet, second one, and each one until the end of the round. So only double crochet around, and then we will meet at the end of this round to know how to work the front post stitch crochet. That's all you need to know from the next row till the end of your work is the front post stitch. So you see here my double crochet, and I'll continue till the end. See you in the next round to see how we're gonna work it together. Okay, so here I have finished my first round of double crochet, and I'm gonna join on top of the first double crochet with a slip knot this way, and then I'm gonna chain 2 to start my next row. So 1 and 2, and now we'll start with the first front post stitch double crochet. So you yarn over, this is my double crochet, I'll insert my hook inside and out, so my double crochet is on top of my hook. Then I will work my double crochet as normal. I will yarn over, do the same with the next double crochet and work my double crochet. Yarn over to the next one, bring it up and work my double crochet. we'll do the same till the end of round 2, and that's what we're gonna do till the end of our work. So we'll close the round, chain 2, and work my front post stitch double crochet till I finish my neck warmer. It's a very easy stitch. Once you get used to it, that's the only thing you will have to repeat till the end of your work. So as I have said, once I finish this round, I will close with a slip stitch, and then I will chain 2 again for the next round, and I'll work my front post stitch double crochet. I'll see you once I'm done with this neck warmer. So this is how the work is evaluating so far. I have done 10 rounds. I have done 10 rounds of post stitch double crochet, and I still have to add 5 more, so total of 15. And this is how your neck warmer will look like. This is how it looks from the back side, and this is the front side. So as we have said, we chain 80 in the beginning, we close the circle, and from there we start making the double crochet, and on the second row we start making the double crochet post stitch, and then we continue for 15 rows until the end. And this is a very easy neck warmer to achieve, and it doesn't have to be big, just small and enough to keep you warm for the winter. I hope you like the tutorial and find it easy. Let me know. See you next time. Bye bye.